Hey everyone, Cody from Mac Telecom Networks. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the accessories by Ubiquiti. We're going to look at a skin for the BeaconHD as well as the G3 Instant, among others. If you'd like to hire me for network consulting, visit www.mactelecomnetworks.com. You'd find us on Instagram at Mac Telecom Networks. We have a Discord and an Amazon storefront, and I'll put the links in the description below. So let's go ahead and check out some of these accessories. The first accessory we'll be looking at is the covers for the G3 Instant. These come in gray, dark gray, and then light gray. And these are $10 each MSRP USD. As you can see, our G3 Instant is white and they don't have any other colors right now, but maybe in the future. All you need to do is slide the cover over the G3 Instant. And now our G3 Instant is the dark gray. I personally like this one the best. Are they worth $10? That's up to you. Next up, we have the Ethernet surge protection. If you're doing any cabling outside and attaching devices to it, you should install these. These will protect your devices and they should be grounded. If we open up the case, we could see that we have two Ethernet ports. So they could either be Ethernet in or Ethernet out. And then we have a hole in the middle. That's where we would want to place our ground. The Ethernet surge protectors are $12.50 each MSRP USD, and you'll see in a later video me using this. Next up is the Unifi Smart Power Plug. So we would plug this into the wall and then we would attach our third-party internet modem or router to this. If it detects that the internet went down or the Wi-Fi went down, it will reboot your modem. And this is managed in the Unifi Network Controller and costs $19 MSRP USD. Next up is the G4 doorbell power supply. This would be used if you don't have an existing doorbell cable where you want to place the G4 doorbell. The power cable on it is fairly long. It's at 6 meters or 19 feet 8 inches. It has a power input of 110 VAC and an output of 20 VAC. And I'll show you how we connect this. So I'm going to plug this in to my power bar down below this desk, and then we'll get it connected to our G4 doorbell. On the back of the G4 doorbell, we have these two screws, and then we have our connectors that are coming off the G4 doorbell power supply. So all we need to do is put these connectors and screw them in. We'll place the first connector in and then grab a Phillips screwdriver. We'll screw the connector down. And then we'll do the same to the other side. Now I'm going to plug the power cable in and we should see the doorbell come up. Okay, and now we could see the doorbell powering up. And this is a perfect solution if you can't get a doorbell cable to the front of your house. The G4 doorbell power supply is $29 MSRP USD. Next, we have the G3 Flex Professional Wall Mount. This is IPX4 rated for splash resistant, and this will mount to your wall. I have a full video review on it, and I love these things. They make your G3 Flex look a lot better. The top portion is rubber, and then the bottom is just a hard plastic. Let's put a G3 Flex in here. The first step to getting this together is to put on the top rubber. We just push it on and then slide it down. Once it's all the way down, we're going to want to put on the back bracket, and we just grab our G3 Flex and push it up. On the bottom of the mount, there's two screw holes. I don't have the screws right now, but you want to make sure those are screwed down. And then we want to put on the bottom piece, which is the hard plastic. So all we do is push down. And you want to make sure that it clicks. And this part here would mount to the back of your wall. The G3 Flex Professional Wall Mount for a single unit is $12 USD MSRP. Or for a 3-pack, it is $35. Here we have the G4 Bullet IR range extender. This is if you need your infrared to go a further distance. This IR extends up to 25 meters or 82 feet and it's weather resistant for outdoor use. I'll be showing the quality difference on another video when I mount this in my backyard. But how you install this, we need to take off this metal lip on our G4 Bullet by just pulling it off. On the bottom of the G4 Bullet, we have a grommet. We need to pull that out. Now we need to take the IR range extender, place it over top the camera, and then press down. Once it's clicked in, we need to place the cable into the hole. And this also has a weather grommet around it. And now the cable's in place and we have the grommet so it's weather sealed. The G4 IR range extender is $79 USD MSRP. And the last accessory we're going to talk about today is the Access Point BeaconHD cover. These come in a 3-pack and the ones I bought is the wood cover, but they also come in black and concrete. These are a hard plastic shell that just goes on top of your Unifi BeaconHD, and I think this is great if you're trying to blend it into your environment. All you need to do is put the cover on top and then press down. Now the cover is on and we could still access the reset hole if we need to. For a 3-pack of these covers is $49 USD MSRP. So that's it for the Unifi accessory video. There are some other accessories I want to try, but they're not available in Canada yet. So maybe we'll do a part 2 of this video when we get more accessories. If you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. All right, thanks.